Bawal yung mga backpack, insulated tumblers. So, ayan. So, I think understandable siya. Hello guys, may ibon dun sa kanal. Wait lang, check natin. Kapagod naman itong ginagawa ko eh. So clean and tahimik. I don't like it. Sharing. Pero dito kasi people, very slow pace yung life namin. So if you want na mag-settle, like